This is a fit for the new Ford Expedition with the factory installed roof rack side rails and factory crossbars. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Motion XT XXL 22 cubic foot rooftop cargo box. This is Thule's premium cargo box with the automotive grade gloss finish. It is manufactured using ABS thermal formed plastic, which is very light, strong, and rigid. It is a dual-sided opening box, accessible from both the passenger and driver's side, using the included Thule SKS lock cylinders and keys. Has a handle to keep your fingers off the gloss finish to lift and close the lid. Connects to the factory crossbars with Thule's simple mounting hardware, which is also included. There is no interference with the full operation of the rear hatch. Overall, excellent proportions and maximum carrying volume on this vehicle. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for additional photos and complete details and pricing.